Oh, man. Watch that hop. Just watch those species. Anthony! White 27? Listen, it's the second minute. Ball watching. Now you're getting fouled. Now you're getting fouled. Wow. Find him, Charles. Find him, Charles. It's a live ball. Relax. Back over. Hey, basketball. Ezra, what the hell is that? It's a live ball. Good job. Good job. Coach, turn around. Nice pass. Over the back. What? What? Oh, come on. Hey, 2. You have to play first. Can we let them play for 1 second, please? Out! Out! We need to have possession. Oh, jump. Where are we going, Dante? What? Over A! Come on, man! Charles! Charles, 2 free throws! Shooting. Yeah, we got him. Let's go. Shove it for Ezra. Ezra, you okay? Ezra, get it to Charles. You got 2 free throws. Ezra, come sit down, get some water. I know, go get some water. You hear it, man? Go breathe. We'll be right back in. Let's go. Go to work. We're gonna have kids with that. Promise. Go, Charles. Out of bounds! Just play. They're trying to pressure you. Just go. Hey. Just play. Well, Charles, get out. Not a press, guys. Move your feet. Gianluca. Johnson. Look up. Run wide. Run wide. I understand, but listen, you can hear the shots and hear the release. On the release, you got able to position after the shot was released. That's a shooting foul. On any planet. 13. 13. Get up. Get up. Get up. Liam, drop back. Liam, drop. Oh, God. Oh, God. Get up. Charles, get up. Let's go. Let's go, one second. Go, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.